How many days are there in a week? 7 days. And then tell me the name of the days.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay, very good. Good morning everyone and welcome back to my another video. Nagkaman sa itong program yung second video ko kung kore sabay. So ang daya na yun, basta kung isa ka sabay, ang daya susulan na rin ka sabay, ang angin ko sa pabas, students ko gadong kayo So nagkaman alaga kong da, ang students program, kung naulaga program. Students, good morning. Mana ang foto letters panitay masih word listing dengar na daya mana exam ko ganalai biye exam syllabus kokana ang beso betukang gasu kurang sabai ampai ang beso ko daya class work ko dengar na na ide daya bisa ler gasi dong ne exam agabon kanya sinalay ang saya disuruh kanya prepare panggasino na students ko mane class work ko bay kadang ang saya ni habay tanan dayo dan ilang betul nalay kay next na betul kabulang go dayo your exam okay, are you ready for your exam? Okay, very good. Now, I'm gonna ask you some of the basic things which you have to know. Okay? You stand up and say, how many days are there in a week? 7 days. And then, tell me the name of the days.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay, very good. And then months are there in a year? Okay, now tell me the names of months.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Okay, very good. Please sit down. How many days are there in a week?
7 days.
Okay, tell me the name of the days.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay, very good. How many months are there in a year?
12 months.
Okay, tell me the name of the months.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Okay, very good. Now, finally, I'm gonna ask you the opposite words, okay, of white. White.
Black,
Okay, long,
short,
clean,
thick,
in,
out,
okay, less,
small,
okay, rich,
small,
fat,
thin,
on,
under,
okay, big,
small,
okay, good,
bad.
okay, very good, sit down.
Thank you, miss.
I'm gonna ask you the opposite words of white
Black,
and then long,
short,
okay, clean,
dirty,
in,
out,
okay, less,
small,
okay, rich,
small,
Four. Fat. Poraki mahajan. Rich as kus mahajan kone da? Ne? Fat. Okay. On. Big. Okay. Good. Okay. Please sit down. Thank you. To your viewers. Morning all of you. Good morning. All of you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching our video. Okay, very good. Sandy, you also say
Thank you for watching.